Hi there students. In this video I want to look at the difference between the phrasal verb to feed up and the phrasal adjective fed up, because they're different. So if you're fed up of something, you're bored of it, you're annoyed, you're disappointed because it's been going on too long. So I'm fed up with him always talking about his problems. Yeah, I'm fed up with this job. Okay, so you don't want to do it anymore. Whereas to feed up, to feed somebody up, means to give food to a person to make them healthier or fatter. So whenever I go home to my mum, she always tries to feed me up. You look like you've lost a lot of weight recently. I need to feed you up. Yeah. After the illness, he needed to feed himself up. So the birds made a nest and they laid their eggs and they hatched the chicks, and then after that they fed themselves up to be ready for the winter. Okay, so to feed somebody up, to give large amounts of food to somebody, yeah, you've got to feed him up. Yeah, so to be fed up, to be bored with something because it's been going on too long. Very often we also use the phrase, I'm fed up to the back teeth of this. Notice fed up of or fed up with. Yeah, I'm fed up to the back teeth of him always complaining. Yeah, I'm just tired of it. I'm sated. I'm disgusted beyond what I can take. I can't stand it anymore. Yeah, so he's fed up of doing the same boring job. He's cheesed off, depressed. Whereas to feed somebody up, I think the Americans normally would use the verb to fatten up. Yeah, to encourage somebody to eat extra food so that they get fatter. And I think to feed up's probably a very British phrasal verb. So if you're fed up, you're bored, tired, you're hacked off, you're weary, you're discontented, yeah, you're sick and tired of it, yeah, you're browned off about it. I'm fed up to the back teeth of this. Yeah, I'm fed up with my mum always trying to feed me up. Okay, so to feed up, to give food to somebody, give extra food to somebody, to fatten them, to bring their health back. Yeah, so my granny's always feeding me up. Yeah, but I'm fed up. I'm fed up to the eyeballs with this. Yeah, I'm just fed up to the back teeth. Okay, so notice they're very different. To feed up, to feed somebody up, separable, make them fatter. To be fed up with, to be fed up of, phrasal adjective. Yeah, notice a fed up person, I wouldn't use a fed up person. He's a fed up man. I wouldn't normally use it like that. I would use it as a post-positive adjective. Yeah, I'm fed up of this. We feel really fed up about this situation. Okay, so feed up, fed up. Yeah, if you feed somebody up, you make them fatter. So I'm fed up of this. I think 4.5 informality. Use anywhere but something very formal. To feed up, 4 informality. Use informally and semi-formally but no more. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the feed and up to increase. I guess if you're fed up, you've had so much you don't want any more. Comes from Proto-Germanic fojana, to feed, from Proto-Indo-European pe, to feed or to guard or to graze. So enough, otherwise you'll get fed up of me harping on and on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Feed up or fed up.